this product is very nice and the product quality is good according to the price. I have purchased this from Amazon, but I have seen this on Meesho and other websites too. So I will link them below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I would love if you subscribe to my channel, and the product link will be in my description below. Bye bye. Subscribe.